We just unlocked Chewie mode, Judah. We unlocked Chewie mode, bro.
Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right.
Judah, left.
I was just about to
Judah, no, right, Judah.
pull back on the stick to
Judah! Bro, you gotta do better than that, dude.
Lights are on right.
Oh! Judah, fly, Judah! Come on, bro.
Left pilot, hit the booster.
Push the seven flashes, guys!
Let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Light speed, baby! Alright, Judah, focus. Alright, here we go. You'll see
Tell
the...
you when it starts blinking, what are we doing?
Alright, shoot him. Judah, go right. Judah, go right a little bit.
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Shoot him, Augie. Shoot him, chaps.
Remember, push the left and it's blinking. The blinking one, Chevy.
Shoot, guys.
There it
Keep
is.
shooting, boys.
To that plane.
Judah, left. Judah, left a little bit.
Now, gunners.
Yes. Shoot. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay.
Shoot.
It's much worse.
Oh. Yeah, hey, but we got it. We got it.
You got one. Excellent, my friends.
Judah, hit your button.
Gravity coaxium.
Chewbacca. You see him?
Just as I promised, my friend. Now, resistance adds what they need. They hit something from Falcon.
Shoot him.
Behind the train, so we can
Judah, left a little bit. All right, Judah, now right.
Behind the train.
Get behind the train, Judah, to the right.
Fire the hump.
There you go. Shoot. There you go. There we go.
Keep flashing those controls.
Shoot. Pass it, guys. Hit the harpoon. Hit it on you. Hit all the buttons on you.
Shooting.
Guys. Did we get
I
it?
think I will let you tell the world.
Shoot. Get it. Judah, left. Left, Judah.
Distraction! Fire the missiles at the train!
Fire the missile. Oh, Chevy. Yes!
Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left
All right.
hit the boosters! Boost!
Boost.
Let's get out of here!
Light speed, baby. All right, we gotta stay up. Left, Judah.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance.
Oh man, we were so close to getting that second container.
Hey, Chewie, proud!
He's not in.
Now after my
Chevy can't hit the
modest
hard
That's
profit,
right.
Your cut minus what
You
you
did a
only for
great
damaging the
We couldn't get that.
Hey, not bad.
Hey, you know what though? We unlocked Chewie mode, baby. We're Marauder. Guys, we did Chewie mode.